guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be doing a design on my right hand finally. So I saw this design on Instagram from a Instagram account called Kingston nails, and the minute I saw it I thought I need that design on my hand. It is so smart. So that's what we're doing today. So I showed you at the beginning, I'm using the Madam Glam's white gel paint. As always, my favourite gel paint of all this is, it is just so opaque. Look at that coverage, guys. Amazing, amazing product. So I've just pulled a little bit out the pot and popped it on my palette, as you can see in the background there. And I'm using my liner brush, and I'm just going to be doing some block work on each nail. So on this nail I'm doing a full nail of white. As I said in my previous video, I haven't got a Madam Glam's white gel polish, so again I'm just going to use the white gel paint because you can use it as a gel polish. Sometimes they are a little bit too thick, but this is a really nice consistency. Now I've not got a grey Madam Glam gel polish either. Well, I have, but it's a jelly grey. It was out of the September's Yeah Baby collection, and it's a jelly, and I really needed a solid grey. So I've pulled out Umikks U381, which is this grey here, and I've applied that either side of the white on my index finger, and I'm going to apply it to the bottom half of this and the top half. Then once I've applied it, I'm going to go in with my detailer brush and just neaten it up, so I can neaten it up around the cuticle and put it up to the white as well. Then once I'm happy with that, I shall cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm using Madam Glam's Cold Lips, and I'm just going to apply that to the thumb. So all the colours I've used so far, I've applied a drop of them to my palette. And now I'm going to be creating some army print. So I'll start off by going in with the lightest colour first, which is the Madam Glam's Cold Lips, which is this one. And I'm just going to use my dotting tool to do this. I just found it easier to get the shapes that I wanted. Now I'm not going to show you me doing every nail of this, guys, because it's pretty much the same on every nail. I think I showed you me doing every colour on this nail and one of each colour on another nail, I think, if I remember rightly. Now this brown is out of the Madam Glam's new November Chapter 11 collection, which is called Friends and Family. And the colour is called We Were on a Break. And lastly, I'm using, you'll see there, Madam Glam's black gel paint. And I'm just going to dot a couple of them about. And then that is the army print all done. So I've pulled out Madam Glam's base coat and I'm going to apply a nice generous coat of that just to this clear part of the nail because I want to add some of this glitter into it. So I didn't show you me doing this, guys, because I faffed around with this for ages. I was sticking them into the base coat using a detailer brush, just picking bits out that I wanted. And then I've just edged that with some gold striping tape. This is Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. Oh, this top coat, guys, it is my favourite top coat ever. It's just so nice. And into that matte top coat, I'm going to be sticking these metal embellishments into it. I've only showed you me doing a couple of these because, again, I did faff about with these a lot. One thing I do wish I'd done now, though, I'm so used to doing designs on tips and my practice hand that I always stick crystals and embellishments into top coats because it's only really for pictures. And because I've done this on my own nails, they've quite a few of them have come off. So I wish now I had used, as you can see there, this is the Rosalind gem glue. And I did stick the gems on with glue, but why I didn't stick the embellishments on with the glue, I don't know. Don't ask me, because I've not got a clue. But yeah, quite a few of them have popped off. So, lesson learnt. Embellishments to be stuck on with gem glue from now on. So that is them all done, guys. What do you think? I think they're really cool. I really, really like them. I need to put some cuticle oil on though, because my fingers and cuticles are so dry right now. I don't know whether it's the weather or whether it's just me not looking after them very well. I've never really looked after my hands very well though, to be honest. But it's not anything new, so I don't know why they're super dry right now. So that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like the design. If you do, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.